So hi friends, my name is Akib and welcome back to my channel Developers Point. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an Angular project for the application what we have done here. So as you know that we have done the backend part which was sending like a list of contacts or like a list of user IDs. As you know that our backend was sending a list to the client. Here we are previously we were using client as a postman, but we don't want postman to be a client forever. So what we'll be doing is we'll be using Angular frontend to get the list from the backend. So to create an Angular project, what we'll be doing is we'll be just going to a command prompt. I'll just zoom in here, so as now you can see it in a proper way. Now as I have zoom in, and let me change the path here. So for that I'll be going to the location where my dating app project is located. So I'll be typing cd space aak/ dating app. For the installation of Angular, I have created a separate video, and the link is shown here above. But if you want to get it in detail, how the installation works and whatever the steps that are required and the tools that are required for installation of this Angular application, then you can follow the link which is shown above in this video. But as to install an Angular project here, what I'll be doing is firstly I'll be checking whether the node is present in my system or not. So for that I'll be typing node -- version and I'll be hitting enter. So you can see node version of 14.15.1 is already available in my machine. After that I'll be checking for npm. So that for that I'll be giving npm -- version. Then it returns us some value 6.14.8. so it has been also installed. Now what we can do is we already have both node version and npm version, so we will be going to install the Angular CLI. But in my case I am already having a Angular application. So to check that whether the Angular is installed or not, what I'll be doing is I'll be just typing ng -- version. So as you can see Angular CLI of version 11.2.1 is already available on my machine. If you people doesn't have a Angular CLI present on your machine, then what you can just do is just let me clear the screen here. Then what you need to do is just run a command which I'm typing here. Just type npm install -g space @angular /CLI and hit enter. Here it may take some time to install this, but after getting installation just check for ng -- version. So you will be getting the Angular installed on your machine. So now as the Angular version, node version and the npm version are totally clear on my machine, what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a new application for Angular which I'll be naming as client. For that what I'll be doing is ng new, and I'll be naming that folder as I want to name my Angular application as client. So we'll be going with that and we'll be hitting enter here. Then automatically you can see here the command prompt has changed to npm, and then it gives us a question asking a question saying do you want to enforce a stricter type. Then of course I'll go with yes here. Then it will ask Angular routing, would you like to add an Angular routing. Then of course I'll be saying yes. And for style sheet I'll be using CSS of course. Now it takes some time to create all the installation of packages, and to create Angular application in the dating app folder. So once the installation is completed, you will get a screen like this, and here you can see package installed successfully. Dictionary is already under version control, skipping initialization of git. So it says as we have already installed a git here, so no git has been installed again. So now we have a brand new shiny and twinkling Angular application. So what we'll be doing is we'll be going back to our Visual Studio Code. Now as you can see, previously we just had the API folder here, but the Angular application has created a client folder too here. So now as you can see our .NET project has now an Angular application. So we'll be connecting from the front end to the back end using the HTTP core services. So many more we will be looking at our next videos. So please share, comment and subscribe to my channel Developers Point, and please support my channel guys by subscribing to it. Thank you.